Hi guys, this is my video for Internet Routing Protocols Lab for multi-area ospf version 2. ospf version 2. ospf stands for Open Shortest Path First, and this talks about various layers, various areas that is connecting two or more, one or more areas or AS autonomous systems or using ospf protocol. Um, this is the example for the ospf connectivity. Uh, in this, there are four routers, and these two are in a network, and these two in a network, um, and these two in another network. In this case, router 5 should connect with router 2. This will be transmitted through R3 and using from R3 to switch, and from switch to router 2. Like this it will be connected. And this is the given topology for this experiment. Using this topology, we should we should fulfill the objectives. In this area, this is a router, and in this router we should provide the details of the nearest router that is from this router and this router. This will automatic in ospf they will build an routing table, and the routing table will create the connected routers details. And for this router R4, if a message has to be passed to R1, it will identify that R2 as its path, and the message will be passed to R2, and from R2 the message will be sent to R1. Likewise, in this router R2, for both R4, R5 and R1 and R3 details will be registered there. And in router R1, the details of R2 and R3 will be registered, so that it will find using that routing table how the message should be sent, and it will find the best shortest path, and the message will be transmitted. The router ospf1, this mentions about the process ID. Router to configure the router, this command will be given. This is the syntax. This ospf stands for the protocol which we are using, Open Shortest Path First protocol, and this is for the process ID. The one is for process ID. This will be given, a process ID will be given separately for each route, each area. And this is syntax for a router ID, and a router ID will be like this: 1.1.1.1.1. And we have to advertise each directly connected network in ospf version 2 on R1. That's what I said, that we have to mention about the directly connected network details in this router and in all the routers to enable the ospf connectivity. This is the syntax for connecting, advertising in each router: network and network address, and this is wildcard mask for this address, and the given area, or the area in which the router is present. In a router, all the network address should be mentioned, which is directly connected. Network address should be advertised. And these are all the protocols which we are now going to experiment in the topology which I had mentioned in any one of the router in CLI. First one, show IP protocols. This shows the ospf version, and this shows the routing table for the address. And this shows the directly connected details, and after network ospf summary will be shown here. Show IP ospf database. This is the database for this ospf interface